What up, YouTube? My name is Vic, and I am the Brooklyn Watch Guy. If this is your first time on the channel, this channel is all about watch buying, collecting, unboxings, and reviews in the affordable range, which I define as $1,000 or less. If you're into that, I invite you to stick around, watch the video. If you make it to the end, hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget the notification bell so you know every time I put a new video up. Folks, today, I told you I had a few of these coming down. This should be the last one for a while. We're going to do an unboxing on a watch that I bought off a Facebook advertisement. Now, I did one of these a few years ago, and, well, I didn't do the unboxing, but I did do a video about me getting scammed off a Facebook advertisement watch that, you know, I should have known better. It looked too good to be true. And, yeah, I ended up getting scammed completely, and I'll put the thumbnail for that video somewhere on the screen. This guy... It's been showing up on my feed here, you know, for like the last month or so, and I pulled the trigger about 2 weeks ago, and I don't know what I received. This just got to me today in the mail. I don't know what I received. I'm hoping that what was advertised is what's in this box. The brand is Giorgio Marino. And you may have seen them on Facebook if you're into watches. It's one of those advertisements that shows up on your feed advertising a pretty cool looking watch. Honestly, if it's the watch that I received, then I'll be okay. It looked pretty cool. It's like nothing I've ever seen before, and you know I like things that are different, so that's why I bought it. Some things on the website though, and I'll be putting up screenshots as I go along. When I clicked on the website link that's on their Facebook page, first of all, on their Facebook page, very few comments, very few comments. So that kind of, you know, like, I was like, oh, I don't know about this. But the website page looks legit. It looks legitimate. U.S. address. I checked it on Google Maps. Come back to an actual building called the Time something, and I'll put a screenshot of the building that is actually in. So it made me feel confident that maybe I wasn't getting scammed. But sure enough, I believe they had a Wyoming address, and this took way too long to get to me if it was coming from Wyoming. So when I started, it took like 3 days after I purchased for it to ship, and the shipping, the tracking number was a weird tracking number. And I believe it ended with a CN. That right there is like, wait a minute, CN, what is that? I don't know what that is. So when I checked the tracking number, it was coming from China, shipped from Wuhan, China. So why on earth would a watch company with a Wyoming address be shipping me a watch from China? So now, you know, my little spidey senses are going off, and I'm like, damn, I got scammed again. Even looking here on the box, it doesn't show that it came from China. It came from somebody in California. So I don't know what this company's got going on. A lot of you know, mysterious things here going about it. So let's get into this unboxing and let's see if this is something that you should stay away from or, you know, take a chance on, because this didn't cost me a lot. I only paid about $76, and I know for some people that might be a lot. If I did get scammed, I can always, you know, put a credit card claim and get that charge hopefully reversed. But let's get into this. Let's see what's in this box. All right, so I put up a screenshot of the watch that should be in this box. And let's see if that's what's actually in this box, because the last time I never even got a watch, but people that did get their watches received like some bootleg Apple Watch that was more like a toy than anything else. So let's see, at least this time I actually got something. No kind of branding at all on this packaging. This is a sleeve. Yeah, this is a sleeve. The most basic, cheap box you can get. Okay, oh shit. Well, this is what I ordered, so I didn't get scammed. This is exactly what I ordered. Looks pretty nice, actually. I don't know if it's on or how is it working or... Oh, it works. It works. There's life. No instructions though, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to program this thing on my own. But pretty dark on the screen. I forget the name of this guy, but the brand is Giorgio Marino, and I'm pretty sure if I'm seeing him on Facebook advertisements, you guys are too. Uh, but yeah, so maybe they're not that bootleg after all, because this is the watch that was on the advertisement. So that is what I received. Okay. So this is it. Looks pretty. This is a pressed on case back. There's no other literature. There's nothing in this box. Nothing else in that box, so I don't know how to set this guy up or anything. I'm gonna have to figure that out on my own. So we'll see what happens. So I'm gonna conclude the video here, and I don't think I'm gonna do a review on this guy per se. What I think I am gonna do is give it like a long-term review. See how it's held up over time, and I think I'll do it that way. But this is it. This is the Giorgio Marino. I guess they're not a scam. You will get the watch, but it's not coming from the U.S. It came from me from Wuhan, China. So this is it, guys. So that's gonna conclude this video. See you on my next one. Peace. Hey YouTube, it's Vic, the Brooklyn Watch Guy. Got any questions or suggestions for content? Well, scan this QR code, send me an email. Maybe you see your idea come up, or I'll answer your question on a video. Thank you for watching.